In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find anyone's phone number on LinkedIn. Now, while it may seem tricky at first glance, with a few steps you can navigate LinkedIn to uncover this information when it's available. However, it's essential to keep privacy and etiquette in mind as we go through this process. First, let's start by heading over to LinkedIn. Open your browser and type in linkedin.com, or you can click the link provided in the description. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign in. If you're already logged in, fantastic, you can skip right ahead. If not, you can quickly sign in using Google or Microsoft accounts, or you can use your email address along with your password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled on your account, LinkedIn will prompt you to verify your identity with a code sent to your registered phone number. This step is crucial for ensuring your account's security, so make sure you have access to your phone to retrieve and enter the code when prompted. After logging in, you'll want to navigate to the profile of the person whose contact number you are trying to find. It's important to note that LinkedIn does not allow users to search directly for phone numbers. However, if the individual has voluntarily provided their number, you can find it in their profile. To check if the phone number is available, locate the contact info section. This is usually near the top of their profile, right under their display picture, where you might also see their work title and location. Click on contact info and the section will expand. Here you might find a variety of contact details such as emails, addresses, and potentially a phone number if they have opted to share it. If you don't see a phone number, don't worry, there's another way. You can connect with this person on LinkedIn, and once your connection request is accepted, you'll have more opportunities to engage with them. A courteous direct message is the next best step to respectfully request their contact number. It's always better to be transparent about why you're requesting their number, perhaps explaining how connecting further could be mutually beneficial. Remember, people's privacy is paramount. Always ensure your intentions are respectful and professional. Reaching out directly is not only a polite gesture, but helps build trust and better relationships in professional settings. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can potentially find a phone number on LinkedIn, provided the user has made it public. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful internet navigation tips.